24.4 Lipids on page 775. Guide for reading. Key concepts. What physical property distinguishes lipids from other classes of biological molecules? How do phospholipids molecules arrange themselves in water? Vocabulary. Lipids, triglyceride, sponification, phospholipids, waxes.
Connecting to your world. Candles were an early invention of ancient civilizations. Candlesticks that date to at least 5,000 years ago have been found with other artifacts from the civilizations of ancient Egypt and Crete. Before the invention of electrical lighting, wax candles are the major source of lighting in homes. In this section, you will read more about waxes and similar compounds that make up the class of biomolecules known as lipids.
Triglycerides. Lipids tend to dissolve readily in organic solvents, such as ether, chloroform, rather than in highly polar solvents such as water. The property sets them apart from most biological substances such as carbohydrates and proteins. Phospholipids. In water, phospholipids spontaneously form a spherical double layer called a lipid bilayer, in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipids molecules are sandwiched between two layers of hydrophilic heads. Waxes. Now figures. Figure 24.10. Moderate levels of dietary fats and oils are essentials to health.
Figure 24.11. These photographs illustrate soap making. Once the soap is formed, it is poured into molds. Later it may be milled or shredded with scent or color added and then remolded to produce a finished product.
Figure 24.12. A figure space-filling model of a lectern is shown here, and the simplified representation above the hydrophilic head is shown as a sphere, and the hydrophobic tails as wavy lines.
Figure 24.13. The cell membrane has a lipid bilayer structure. The hydrophilic heads are in contact with water, but the hydrophobic tails are not. The lipid molecules move easily with their own layer, but do not readily move to the other layer.
Alright, take out a sheet of paper, MLA format, and you're drawing... Oh yeah.
You guys will be drawing figure 24.10, the equation thingamabob, not the French bread.
That's
Like,
toast.
French toast.
Different.
French bread.
Okay, yeah, you will be drawing the equation thingamabob.
Next page.
And then after that, you guys are drawing the
24.12.
lipid, the 24.12. That thing that looks like that thing with the head and the tails. Yeah, the head and tail thing about. And well, get to it. We gotta get it done. I'll give you guys a little bit of time.
Just a wee bit.
Bye. Yep, that's it. Have a good one.
Is that all the notes we're gonna do?
Yeah.
I know, you're welcome, I got you. Say it again, there you go.
And we can do the vocab.
Say to Hawkins.
No. That's a really awkward.
Thank you.
Okay, what are we doing besides the equation?
Then on figure 24.12, just a little lipid there, not the entire molecule.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wish.
Almost.
Isn't that our cues?
Yeah. Is everybody done?
Kelsey's did.
Oh, the poop one.
The first thing, the equation on for 24.10, triglyceride.
So how about them Raiders?
What's that say? Fatty acid.
Did you just ask about the readers?
It's a.
Fatty acid.
Wait, no.
Fatty acid. Extra large.
Alright, tell me what it down.
Huh?
Write it down.
No, we're not. They're not done with both the pictures.
We are.
I just got done with the first picture. I've been doing
That's
this.
you.
Oh wait, tell me to get these.
They're good.
Her and me literally look exactly alike.
There's the head. There's the tail.
I was like, yeah, where is that? She's even here, I'll show you. Yeah, this is
There's the tail.
all the bleachers and Carly, they're both going.
Yes.
The
The 24.12.
The head and tail.
Hydrophilic
Yeah.
ahead, and the
Yeah,
hydrophilic.
the one that looks like, you know, that one thing. Yeah.
Okay, and underneath that,
That's good.
sorry Vanessa, but section 21, section 21, 24.4, RQ1 and 2, page 777.
Damn, we're lucky.
Alright, read slow.
Alright, okay, on this, okay.
Alright. Number 1. What physical property sets lipids apart from biological substances such as carbohydrates and proteins?
Alright, so capital L. Lipids tend to dissolve readily in organic solvents. Okay, capital L. Lipids tend to dissolve readily in organic solvents. Comma. Such as ether. ETHER, and chloroform, comma, rather than in highly polar solvents such as water. Period. Highly polar solvents such as water. Period. Alright, number 2 says.
Slow down.
Give them a second. They're all whiners. They're just whiners, dude.
So slow.
Alright, so number 2. How do phospholipids behave in water?
Alright. So capital I. In water, comma, phospholipids spontaneously. So phospholipids is P.
That's not right. Oh, it is right. We are on Tiger Time.
Oh, we are?
My bad, we're
Right.
on
Well, that sucks.
23. Oh man, we may not get done. Remember where we are, Emily.
Second question. How do phospholipids behave in water? Alright, so capital I. In water, comma,
Oh no, oh, 24.12.
phospholipids spontaneously form,
In water, what? Fossil?
comma, phospholipids spontaneously form, a spherical double layer, comma, called a lipid bilayer, comma, in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipids
Wait, say that again?
in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipids molecules are sandwiched between two layers of hydrophilic heads.
Yeah, I got lost. Can you re-say the whole thing?
Alright, so capital I, in water, comma, phospholipids spontaneously form a spherical double layer, comma, called a lipid bilayer, comma, in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipid molecules are sandwiched between two layers of hydrophilic heads.
Oh, it's enough for already get to.
Alright
Are
then.
each one of your cells a lipid bilayer? Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are.
Let water in, only certain metabolites get in though. You got active transport, you got regular diffusion.
Alright, so pass me to the left.
Pass them to the left.
Facilitated transport.
Like,
I don't
And
want
Diego,
this.
the point correct, section 24.
Pass them to the left. TA, would you do the favor?
Just kidding. You can have the track.
And 24-5, you're up.
Bless you.
24-5.
That was fun.
Oh wait, we figured it out yesterday, didn't we?
Who is 24-5?
Bye.
Here we go.
Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you 24-5?
24-6, you ready?
Sorry.
Okay, which are you?
Okay, what are we doing for notes so I can get a little bit of a jump on it?
So we're just doing a basic outline.
Now, actually, what I'd like you to do is follow them